A Toy Unboxers production.
Now we will unbox tabletop football. It says that setup is a snap and you don't need screws or any tools. It is recommended for children ages 6 years old and above. So let's unbox this. Let's see what's inside this box. Oh, these are the rods, the players that we will insert here. There's also an instruction sheet that we can follow to assemble this. And of course, there are footballs. There we have 2 footballs. So let's assemble it. So we have 4 rods with the players, field goals, 4 handles, 2 balls, foam-like circles, core, and of course we have the tabletop that is already assembled. So let's connect it. First, let's insert this foam on both sides of the rod. Here. Okay. Do it also on the other end. Do it on the 4 rods. And then remove these sides. It's so easy, just pull it up. Pull it up. Okay, there. And then insert the rods that has the players. It's up to you if you want which team will face which direction. I have positioned it as yellow team, then red team, and then yellow team and red team. And then put back the other side of the tabletop football. And then the corners. Now this is the easy part, just push it down. And then we will put the handle. So the handles are also positioned alternately. And on the other side of the rod, we will put this stopper. Here. Do it on the 4 rods. Next, we will attach the field goals. You have one on the left side and one on the right side. Just push it in. Just insert these on the holes. One on the left side and one on the right side. So each team will have a score. So let's try. So the goal is the opponent will try to block the football so that it will not go inside the field goal. For example, so this one will kick the ball, and then the opponent should block it there, like that. So this is recommended for 2 players. The goal is to shoot the ball on your team's field goal. You can move this so that the players can move also. So let's try. For example, this is the ball the ball is on the yellow team, and then he will kick it there. So the yellow team has 1 point. So that's it. This is the tabletop football.
Excited to watch the latest toy unboxing? Subscribe now. It's free. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up.